Hey, how's it going? This is Justin Gilman with Quantum Leads, and today I'll be walking you through your digital marketing attack plan to show you how you can turn your website into a lead generation machine and really generate some more revenue for your business month over month. Now, in order to do that, we first have to understand how are people finding plumbing businesses in your area? And if you're like me and many others, chances are you go on Google, type in whatever service or industry you're looking for in the upper search bar, along with your city name. And after doing that, you're going to scroll down and pick from the first few results down below or up here in the Google Map pack. Now, it doesn't seem to really matter which one you do, but it seems to be a pretty popular option to find Google or to use Google to find services, as there's about 1,000 searches every single month for plumbing companies in your area. And the goal of this video is going to be to put your business at the forefront of those searches so that we can guarantee that every single month, 1,000 people see our business first before looking at another company. However, in order to do that, there's a few different things that we need to understand first. So first off, we're going to talk about content because content is really important on Google. So we'll take a look at your competitor site, see what they're doing as far as content goes, and then we'll go back and compare that to your website and see what you're doing so far. Start on your competitor's site, and if we scroll down here, one thing you're going to notice right away is that they have tons of content on this page. And that's really done on purpose because content, like I said, is very important in the eyes of Google because the more content you have, the more you give users to engage with, and the more they have to engage with, the better user experience you promote. And that's exactly what Google's looking for when they're looking to promote a website to the first page, is that you really promote that positive user experience. And like I said, we do that by having a very contentful site. But now, if we went one step further and examined their content even deeper, we'd start to see that they have very industry specific keywords. Now, keywords are the most used words or phrases on a web page. And based on those keywords, we're going to tell Google some vital information about our business, such as what we do, maybe where we operate from, and ultimately who we are as a company. So, very important that we not only have a lot of content, but that we have our industry specific keywords to back that content. So, let's take a look at your website and see if you follow those patterns to your website. And if I scroll down here, I did notice that you have some content here and there, but ultimately not a lot of content. So we're going to want to change that to go bigger and better than our competition because you saw how much content they had. Normally, I like to recommend about 750 to 1,000 words of content on any given page. And obviously, feel free to go above and beyond that if you'd like, but that's the bare minimum of what I found to be a very contentful site in the eyes of Google. Now, once again, we have to take that content one step further with our keywords. So we're going to want keywords like plumbing. We're going to want our city, our state. We're going to want all the information that we want to convey to Google. We're going to want to put those in our main keywords. So, like I said, 750 to 1,000 words of content and very industry-specific keywords. And if we do that, we should be able to set a very strong internal foundation for our website. However, there's a whole other part to this process, and that is our external side of things. And that's going to be our backlinks and our citations. And those are going to be very important for helping us climb the rankings, while our internal side is going to help put us in the correct categories. So let's take a look at your competitor's backlink structure, and then once again, we'll go back and compare that to your website. So here we are taking a look at your competitor who has 1,400 backlinks, and it's ultimately driving them about 117 extra organic users every single month. And like I said, there's 1,000 searches out there, so there's so much more volume out there that even they aren't capturing. But those 117 users that they generate every single month are a direct result of the things that they're doing internally as far as content and keywords, as well as the things that they're doing externally with their backlink structure. So very important that we combine the two to create the strongest ranking strategy possible. And we're going to want to go bigger and better than your competitor. So we're going to want upwards of 2,000 backlinks, maybe even 4,000 to really push that margin. So let's kind of see what you're working with so far. So now we're taking a look at your site, and you have 179 backlinks built to your site, and ultimately you're driving about 7 organic users every single month. So not bad, a decent base to get started with, but once again, like I said, we want to ramp these efforts up and get over 2,000 backlinks on top of our content and keywords. And if we do all of that, we should start to see a very positive movement in the amount of traffic our website is generating month over month. But really, the reason we do that is because our website is a 24/7 salesperson for us. It closes sales at 3 in the morning and it closes sales at 10 at night. So we need to give it the resources it needs to really close those sales. And those resources are the backlinks, the content, the keywords, and really everything else we've talked about so far. But there is one more aspect to this, and that is citations. So let's go over the Google Map Pack, talk about citations and how they tie into everything here. So once again, we're in Google, and if we scroll down, we have this map pack that we very briefly touched on. And the map pack is just super important because it gives our business a second place that we can be seen online. And, like I said, the more places we can be seen, the more traffic we can generate. So in order to get seen in the map pack, it does look for a variety of different factors, one of the most important being citations. Now, citations are all the different places your business's name, address, and phone number are going to be listed online. Some popular citations are things like Yelp, Facebook, Instagram, Yellow Book, Yellow Pages. All those are different citations you can get for your business, and they all help with the Google Map Pack. Now, I took it upon myself to look through each one of these companies and how many citations they had, and found that the number one company had 72 citations, followed by 58, and lastly 37. So if we have 72 at the number one spot, once again, we always want to go bigger and better. So we're going to want 144 citations on top of our backlinks, on top of our content and keywords. And if we do all of that, we should start to see a very positive movement in the amount of traffic our business is generating for us month over month. But more importantly, the amount of revenue that our website is bringing back for us as well. Now, that's all I really have for you in this video, but I will leave you with one last question, and that question is, what could an extra 1,000 customers a month do for your business? Once again, my name is Justin Gilman with Quantum Leads. I hope this video is very helpful, and thank you for watching.